Waka flame. Old school. Yeah, it's that old school.
Back in the day, we used to ride skateboards and
play.
Whatever. I gotta fix some of these.
sleepovers, you know. Back in the
Let me
day.
start rapping at $2 on your
Partying bullshit. Put that together.
Welcome. Got my nigga Joe, my nigga Nate right there. I got my girl Amy right here, trying to hide the camera. My nigga Joe, my nigga Ubana though. You know what it is though, you know what it is. Check out the hip waders. This is old school.
You got the groove. Welcome. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Yes.
Southside square field out here. Hit that square field, you know that 94534. Hello week, you know what it is though.
94534.
Same shit. What is it, 33?
94534.
Yeah, I hit that zip code. I be hitting the zip codes.
707.
That's the area code. I'm talking about the zip code.
Number 94533. It's school 33, right?
Is it 3? I thought it's 34.
It's 34? What's 32?
Sean's 34. I know that. Sean's like downtown. Like I know below is 94591 and then the other part is 94592.
We're from the 90210, you feel me?
90210 Beverly Hills. What's the hip waders coming out? What's the area code for Nigeria? Come on, bro. You gotta know the area for Nigeria. No? Mr. Baca, what's coming out new for the hip waders?
What's coming out new?
Yeah. Let's check out the mixtape. This is going on the YouTube. The hip waders, come see it.
This is you gotta hold it. See, this girl's trying to hold it, and this one's Just Not Me. It's about a bad boy who just doesn't want to do anything the right way. And so, yeah, I did all the background vocals, but we messed up, and they say just says drum and percussion, but whatever.
Mr. Baca, the drummer for the hip waders. Check him out. Yes. And I just got my seat rubbed. Yep, you are going on the YouTube.
That's fine.